It would be great to have someone who could do our work for us, right? Someone to prevent us from making mistakes. Someone to assist with our routine professionally and allow us to devote our time to communicating with our closest people. If only we could get results without wasting our time for nothing. Unfortunately, it's impossible in real life. But wait, Liteforex social trading. Spend your time doing what really matters to you.
Hi guys, 9:15 AM CT, 8:15 AM London, Piotr here, and this is EU PMI live market coverage only here on the Liteforex Global YouTube channel. A little bit better French manufacturing number. We have a spike on euro dollar, but let's have quick risk warning guys before we start. Please bear in mind, trading effects on margin carries a high level of risk, may not be suitable for all investors who can sustain loss of some or all initial investment, so please do not invest the money that you cannot afford to. Seek education and experience before risking real money. However, past performance doesn't guarantee future results. Okay, so as we can see, 51 flash manufacturing PMI from France. 49.5 was expected, right? Overall, Euro bulls with the hope for the positive surprise. We have here from France a little bit light in the tunnel. Small light in the tunnel. Of course, all eyes on German manufacturing PMI. So Euro bulls with hope and with the question if we can get anything worse what we have till now, right? Spoiler, of course we can. Anyway, it might be interesting. Let's wait for more. Let's wait, especially for the German one, within the next 12 minutes or so. Services in France also better. 53.3 versus 52.5, what was expected. I'm watching euro dollar, euro pound, and euro Swiss franc. Yes, I'm watching euro Swiss franc, and it looks good. From that consolidation around 108 or above 108, from that consolidation perspective, of course, there is a huge move to the downside, no doubt about it, But what caught my interest, for example, is where we are currently, right? What we trying to hold from the higher time frame perspective. So that's the line in the sand. That's what probably Swiss National Bank is watching carefully. Okay? So from that perspective, from Euro Swiss franc perspective, of course, we have to take out the high created on the 14th as well as the 13th of August, and close above this level might give some kind of the hope. And of course, if euro will rise somewhere, probably euro Swiss franc is one of the cross. We might see this type of the rally. So watching here. Euro pound also might be interesting. We were covering euro pound this morning during the pre-London Open. Retest of 92.05, 92.20 is still possible, right? But with this cross, we have to have in mind Merkel-Johnson meeting and eventually comments after that meeting. So that's the pair where we might see much higher than usual volatility, much higher than usual. And of course, euro dollar, here we're trying to consolidate another day between 11.15, 10.70. So it's some kind of the consolidation from the bigger perspective between 10.50, 12.50, right? So in case we really are going to get some positive stuff here, we might see attempt to rally, but then the afternoon US numbers might be the key, as well as tomorrow Powell's speech, right? So yeah, we will see. Similar to what we were testing yesterday, I'm gonna mute my microphone much more often, so in case to focus on the chart, and if there is anything from my perspective, in my opinion, I can do, I will do that, and will try to explain. So trying to focus on the chart instead of talking too much, gonna be the key here. In the meantime, we cannot forget about the Italian drama. So it's what showed on in services right now. So Italian president wants parties to show significant development on forming new government by early next week. We're trying to break through that orange level 3 times already this week. One, two, three. Very narrow range on euro dollar over the course of this week. Pound is trying to escape here as well, but yeah, if you remember what we were talking yesterday, we were close, but we didn't hit quite yet the level here. And yesterday it was quite a good day from the pound trading perspective for us here. So hopefully you can get something similar today. In the meantime, if you are watching morning pre-London Open, you know that I'm waiting for a Nasdaq. I've been waiting for a Nasdaq to hit 7750 on my chart. It did right now based on the data. I would prefer to see that during the right at the US cash open. So it looks like it might be the scenario with 7850. Cable hit few Asian stops based on the Tokyo range. We have also again some Chinese related news. China's Commerce Ministry, China and US trade negotiators have been in touch. China to release its unreliable entity list soon. Any new US tariffs on Chinese goods will escalate trade disputes. On the pound, is it break or not to break right now through this Tokyo high and hold? It might open the way towards again 2150 weekly open. So 2121, I'm going to look for some longs. It's related to the stop count from yesterday. Here, this price action around London fix. So 2120, a little bit lower. That's where I'm going to look to buy. All right, we have 2 minutes, guys. Wow, 1 minute. We have 1 minute, so let's wait for the German number. We have Euro pop, but probably only because the number is not worse what market was expecting. So be careful, guys. Be careful here. Overall 43.6 versus 43 expectations. Services 54.4 versus 54 expectations. So yeah, be careful, guys. Be careful. The Euro pop might be short-lived. On cable, I'm not gonna be surprised to see market is going to try to take out these stops and hitting 2160 ish. On the euro dollar, I'm going to watch carefully this week high, Monday high, maybe some kind of the stop count and rejection. It was a little bit easier. It was a little bit easier yesterday. We were very close to the setups. Here we have to wait for some kind of the price action and get some kind of the confirmation. At least the way the I'm talking about the confirmation is in that case some kind of the stop hunt on both euro dollar or cable. So some kind of the upper shadow around 1120, that would be something that, yeah, I may try to take the advantage of these equal moves. So something around 1120, stop above 32 maybe, but I want to see what we are going to get here, right? So have to wait. Guys, of course I don't know. I don't have any kind of the confirmation, but looks for me like some kind of the intervention on Euro Swiss. That might be one of the reasons Euro is getting stronger almost everywhere within last few seconds. It could be this attempt to break higher on Euro Swiss franc, and because it might be the beat on the Euro via Swiss franc trying to manipulate this one, and is causing overall Euro move to the upside. I don't think that the German number is here a reason. Only in the way that it wasn't worst, right? Nothing extraordinary for now, me. You know, it's usually it works like this. We had yesterday, we had a fantastic day, and most important that we did it live yesterday, right? It's not that, oh guys, you know, when we stopped our live coverage, then I did this. No, we had a very good day yesterday, and we were doing most of the thing live. And you cannot expect that every day you are going to have such a fireworks, right? So yeah, being without the position sometimes is a good position as well. Being ready for some fireworks, and that's what we have to wait for here. You know, towards the New York session, it might be that we are going to hit this 11.15. We are going to fight a little bit higher, a little bit lower, but something similar we had yesterday with the oil setup, right? That's what I'm gonna to look for, both euro dollar and cable. It might be that we will stop the rally here, but that's the first spike, right? So 21.20 for now, it might be, or 21.05 or 2090 in case of the huge spike to the downside, might be the case for longs. And for shorts, yeah, if we are going to see the pullback from here, but we are going to hold 20, right? So I'm going to make the equal waves measure, right? And that's how I'm going to trade. So that's going to give us ideally 2160, what I've been talking about, that we might hit that level, right? In case of 2160 without the pullback, then I'm going to watch for stops above Monday high. I'm not gonna to try to be front runner on the short side at 60. So that's, you know, I have to see what is going to happen. As of now, it might be a little bit higher, a little bit lower. Don't forget that Merkel Johnson. Don't forget about the US numbers, and don't forget tomorrow Jackson's Hole at 4 Powell. We have our next meeting scheduled on tomorrow morning, pre-London Open. But as I mentioned, if I'm going to be around tomorrow, we might cover Powell live tomorrow. But that's gonna be unscheduled meeting, and similar today, we might cover US numbers if I'm around as an unscheduled meeting. So yeah, hit subscribe button, ring the bell, and you are going to be informed about the unscheduled meeting once they are scheduled, right? A few minutes ahead of the event. So if you like it, definitely you should subscribe. Pound hits tiny supply here based on what I did, based on the measure, smaller time frame. So from here we might see the pullback towards 20. So probably, as you already figured it out, no magic indicators here, just pure price action. That's what we are talking about. Only here, only on the Liteforex global YouTube channel. Just a friendly reminder, we are mostly every day from Monday to Friday covering pre-London Open. And Tuesday to Thursday, we do have educational live trading rooms during the New York session. We are covering New York Open live as well. So yeah, subscribe, and let's try to get something out of the market together. We have a chat here. Let's spread the word, and yeah, let's enjoy. That's it, guys, for now. In that case, I have to wait patiently, right? I'm not the supply here I have on the cable. I'm not gonna use as a selling opportunity. That's what I'm trying sometimes to figure it out, where we might see a little bit, at least a little bit turnaround. So that's what I expect, that it might push price lower towards 21.25, 21.20, and from here towards 21.60. That's where I'm going to look for a short setup, right? I don't want to short it after one wave like this, right? Guys, it was a pleasure. Thank you very much. Be careful, don't be trapped. Enjoy your London session. And as I mentioned, we might have unscheduled meeting later today as well as tomorrow. So be around. Have a great one. Take care and goodbye, guys.
It would be great to have someone who could do our work for us, right? Someone to prevent us from making mistakes. Someone to assist with our routine professionally and allow us to devote our time to communicating with our closest people. If only we could get results without wasting our time for nothing. Unfortunately, it's impossible in real life. But wait, Liteforex social trading. Spend your time doing what really matters to you.